Place me tear down in a night. When you were run up a stadium in a tight.
Yo, Labas does a wicked piece of craft for Malie Donn. You know see what the man do? The man voice 2 tune and release 1 and wait for Malie Donn for release film tune and then him release at the same time. Yo, hey boy, Labas, you're wicked, you know. But you say, the boy have the up hand for the clash, you say, you take it back. You not gonna be the one for your return fire back on him. You're the attacker now. Yo, the man smart, yo, Jano, yo, Labas. Final lap, wicked, you know. Yo, man, I lie, bro. Me just have to drop this before me even drop a review for each tune. Because I see the style of the man use for Malie Donn dark. I have to say, no, say, you know, say that boy Labas here pretty deep. Time I say, him always do the attacking and me have to do the reply. No, we are switch it up here now. Send one film and give him the beat. I say, alright, here we go on here now. They got fire back on him here now. I said, the man said, I look a jubi for him here now. I say, alright, here we go on. Go wait up your men's, man, and we can see him push out, man. And the man just pull up, guns blazing, AR-15, AK, Matic, everything the man run out with, brother. Yeah, man. So, Labas, final lap, you take a lead with that one day. I'm not gonna lie. So we'll drop a review later. This is just we just have to talk about this thing. Brother, yo, the man man fire the tune him one back at the other, bro. It's hard to keep up as a blogger, bro. I tell you. Me nah lie, bro. The war is sweet. And the tune them are released fast, but the tune them well put together, dog. Me nah gonna lie. So, I have to give the man them, yo, me nah lie, I have to give the man them props. And Malie Donn, me nah lie, bro. I have to give you props, bro. Cause I tell you, you fight the war, bro. You fight the war wicked. And you fight it on the realest way because you nah back down, bro. I love that. I love that. A long time we don't see a clash like this, bro. You see me? But I the ugly choke my people and I'm your host, Pillow Talk. And we are dropping review them look a bit for this. You see me? Yeah, man. Man.